In the intricate dance of relationships, there are certain actions that men may think are harmless or even beneficial, but in reality, they backfire and create deep regret. Understanding the female psyche is not about manipulation, it's about awareness, respect, and emotional intelligence. Today, we explore the top 5 things men should never do for a woman and why ignoring these lessons can have lasting consequences. The first major mistake is neglecting emotional connection. Many men underestimate the importance of emotional presence. A woman doesn't just want someone who is physically there, she wants someone who listens, understands, and validates her feelings. Ignoring her emotions or brushing them off as trivial communicates a lack of care. Over time, this creates emotional distance. Even if you provide materially or practically, the absence of genuine emotional connection will erode trust and intimacy. Women remember how they feel in interactions far more than they remember material gestures. A small moment of empathy often outweighs grand gestures of effort. Men who fail here risk not just superficial disconnection, but long-term relational regret, as missed emotional opportunities cannot be retroactively regained. The second critical error is disrespecting boundaries. Every woman has physical, emotional, and psychological limits shaped by her experiences and her personality. Pushing her to move faster than she is comfortable with, invading personal space, or ignoring her requests is a sure path to resentment. Boundaries are not arbitrary. They are protective mechanisms that maintain her sense of security and self-respect. When men fail to honor these, they often believe they are showing confidence or determination, but in reality, they are eroding trust. Respecting boundaries is not just polite, it is psychologically vital for fostering intimacy. Women need to feel safe and understood, and crossing limits destroys that essential sense of security. The third mistake men commonly make is engaging in manipulation or emotional games. This can take many forms: testing her feelings, withholding affection to teach a lesson, or exaggerating emotions to provoke reactions. These tactics may seem clever in theory, but they are profoundly damaging. Women are highly sensitive to authenticity. They can often detect hidden motives, and when they do, it creates suspicion, resentment, and emotional fatigue. Authenticity builds connection, while manipulation breaks it. Men who rely on games instead of straightforward communication will find that what they thought were minor strategies become deep regrets over time as trust erodes. Fourth, dismissing her opinions, dreams, or aspirations is a subtle but destructive mistake. Women want to be respected as individuals with their own thoughts and ambitions. Criticizing her goals, belittling her ideas, or assuming she should defer to your preferences can make her feel undervalued. Support does not mean agreement, but it means acknowledgement and encouragement. When men fail to honor this, they not only weaken the relationship, but also damage her self-esteem. Women gravitate toward partners who amplify their confidence, not diminish it. Ignoring this principle often leaves men wondering why a once strong bond gradually weakened. Finally, taking her for granted or publicly humiliating her can have irreversible effects. Women notice when they are overlooked, unappreciated, or embarrassed in front of others. Thoughtless words, teasing, or neglecting to recognize her efforts may seem small, but these accumulate and create resentment. Gratitude and respect are not negotiable, they are the bedrock of relational health. Public criticism, in particular, violates trust in a way that is difficult to repair. Women remember how you make them feel, especially when that feeling is pain, shame, or invisibility. Men who fail here often face regret not because of a single action, but because a pattern of neglect and disrespect solidifies over time. In conclusion, navigating the female psyche requires attentiveness, empathy, and respect. Avoiding these 5 mistakes, ignoring emotional connection, disrespecting boundaries, engaging in manipulation, dismissing opinions, and taking her for granted is not about avoiding conflict. It's about cultivating trust, respect, and genuine intimacy. The regret comes not from what you did for her, but from what you failed to do or understood too late. A mindful, respectful, and emotionally present approach transforms relationships from fragile to enduring. Understanding these principles is not a guide to perfection. It is a roadmap to connection, showing men how to act in ways that honor both her humanity and their own integrity. Emotional connection is the invisible thread that weaves two people together in a relationship, and yet so many men fail to understand its true importance. A woman's heart is attuned not only to words, but to the energy, attention, and empathy she receives from her partner. Neglecting this emotional connection is one of the most common and damaging mistakes a man can make, and it often leads to regret that cannot easily be undone. The mistake begins subtly. Men often think that providing material support, attention in sporadic bursts, or grand gestures of affection is enough to sustain a relationship. They assume that showing up physically or taking care of practical matters will compensate for the lack of emotional presence. But women experience relationships primarily through feelings, and emotional neglect communicates a profound message that her inner world, her thoughts, her fears, and her joys are not truly valued. Even the smallest dismissals of her emotions, treating her concerns as trivial, laughing off her frustrations, or failing to acknowledge her feelings, can create a gap that grows larger over time. Women do not forget how they feel in moments of intimacy, and emotional neglect leaves impressions that linger far longer than any material gesture ever could. A woman who feels unseen or unheard may begin to withdraw, either consciously or unconsciously, creating distance that men often misinterpret as disinterest or moodiness. The reality is far more complex. It is a response to the lack of genuine engagement, a natural reaction to being emotionally overlooked. Emotional connection is not about fixing her problems or offering solutions. It is about presence, listening, and validation. When a woman speaks about her day, her dreams, or her worries, she is inviting you into her inner world. Responding with indifference, distraction, or impatience signals that her inner world is unworthy of your time, and this erodes trust. Women are perceptive. They can sense disinterest or superficial engagement, even when a man believes he is being attentive. The cumulative effect of emotional neglect is often more devastating than overt conflict because it quietly corrodes the bond that once held two people together. Men who fail to cultivate this connection may find themselves puzzled when the woman they care about becomes distant, withdrawn, or even resentful. In relationships, emotional neglect often manifests in patterns of behavior rather than isolated incidents. A man may be physically present but mentally absent, checking his phone, preoccupied with work, or failing to notice the subtle cues of her emotional state. Over time, these small lapses communicate a larger message that her emotional needs are secondary. Women who are socialized to value relational depth and empathy often experience this neglect as a profound form of rejection. The consequences are not always immediate. Emotional distance builds gradually. At first, it may appear as minor irritations, unspoken frustrations, or passive withdrawal. If unaddressed, these small fissures widen, creating a chasm of misunderstanding and disconnection. By the time a man realizes the gravity of the situation, the emotional bond may be severely weakened, and rebuilding it requires conscious effort, patience, and consistent demonstration of care. Understanding the female perspective is crucial. Women process relational cues differently from men, often prioritizing emotional alignment over practical contributions. What may seem like a minor oversight to a man, a failure to ask about her day, a lack of verbal affirmation, or an inattentive response, is interpreted by her as a lack of caring. Emotional connection is the currency through which trust, intimacy, and loyalty are measured. When men fail to invest in this currency, they risk not only emotional distance, but also the erosion of affection, attraction, and commitment. Conversely, cultivating emotional presence strengthens the relationship on multiple levels. Listening actively, validating her feelings, expressing empathy, and showing consistent interest in her inner life fosters a sense of security and closeness. Women who feel emotionally connected to their partners are more likely to communicate openly, invest in the relationship, and respond positively to gestures of love and support. Emotional connection is not a passive state. It requires ongoing attention, mindfulness, and effort. It demands that men set aside distractions, cultivate patience, and engage genuinely with their partner's experiences. This does not mean sacrificing personal boundaries or ignoring one's own needs. Rather, it involves balancing self-awareness with relational awareness, ensuring that both partners feel valued, seen, and heard. One of the most common misconceptions is that emotional connection is only necessary during conflict or crisis. In reality, it is the continuous, everyday engagement, listening to her laugh, sharing in her excitement, acknowledging her struggles, that builds resilience in a relationship. Neglecting these moments weakens the foundation, making the couple vulnerable to misunderstandings, resentment, and eventual disengagement. Men who understand this principle recognize that emotional connection is a deliberate choice, a practice that requires intention and consistency. They understand that true intimacy is built not through grand gestures alone, but through the accumulation of small, meaningful interactions that reinforce care, attention, and empathy. Failure to do so is often the source of deep regret. Many men look back and wonder why the relationship deteriorated despite their efforts in other areas. The answer frequently lies in emotional neglect. The woman may have stayed physically present, tolerated lapses in communication, or forgave repeated oversights, but over time, the absence of genuine emotional engagement erodes trust and attachment. The regret is not simply about losing her affection. It is about missing the opportunity to nurture a bond that could have grown into profound intimacy and partnership. In practical terms, cultivating emotional connection requires awareness and responsiveness. Asking thoughtful questions, noticing changes in her mood, reflecting on her experiences, and expressing genuine interest are not optional, they are fundamental. Validating her emotions, even when you do not fully understand them, demonstrates respect and empathy. Sharing your own emotions in turn creates a reciprocal environment where vulnerability is met with care, strengthening mutual understanding. Emotional neglect is a subtle but powerful force in relationships. Its impact may not be immediately visible, but over time, it dictates the trajectory of intimacy, trust, and fulfillment. Men who fail to invest in emotional connection often experience regret that goes beyond lost love. It encompasses missed opportunities to grow together, understand each other deeply, and build a lasting partnership. By prioritizing emotional presence, men not only honor the woman in their lives, but also cultivate a relationship characterized by depth, trust, and enduring affection. Emotional connection is the heartbeat of intimacy, and neglecting it is a mistake that every man must strive to avoid if he wishes to build meaningful, lasting relationships. Boundaries are one of the most misunderstood aspects of human relationships, yet they are fundamental to maintaining trust, respect, and emotional safety. For women, boundaries are not arbitrary rules. They are essential structures that protect her sense of self, her emotional well-being, and her autonomy. When a man disrespects these boundaries, whether consciously or unconsciously, he undermines the very foundation of the relationship. Ignoring a woman's boundaries can take many forms, from pressuring her to act faster than she is comfortable with, to dismissing her emotional limits, to invading personal space. At first, these actions may appear minor or inconsequential, but their cumulative effect is significant. Women are innately sensitive to relational dynamics, and when a boundary is crossed, it communicates a lack of respect and understanding. Over time, repeated disregard for boundaries creates resentment, erodes trust, and can lead to emotional withdrawal. It is essential to understand that respecting boundaries is not about restriction or limitation. It is about honoring the individuality of another person. Every woman has unique preferences, comfort levels, and experiences that shape her boundaries. These are the invisible lines that define her personal and emotional space, and acknowledging them is a demonstration of respect, empathy, and maturity. Men who fail to honor these lines often do so out of a misconception that boundaries are obstacles to intimacy or expressions of disinterest. In reality, boundaries are the very structures that